My people, to show you say Oyibo people, their plan na to kill me and you. You think say I dey lie? Okay, if you get $20 for your hand now, check am well. Check am well, you go see say they hang black man for money when e dey your hand. Watch this video when I wan give you, make you take understand wetin I dey tell you. Say Oyibo, your school, your language, your religion na to divide you.
Look, babe, I'm looking at it now on my $20 bill. I'm gonna zoom in. Ain't this some shit? Oh
Na
my
black man dey hang
God.
for the
Baby, look at the $20 bill.
$20. Look am
It
if
is
e dey
a
your hand now.
fucking
You go see am say na
person
black man dey hang
hanging,
there where you dey see
and how
so.
they disguise this shit
Black
on the
man,
$20 bill.
they
We
disguise
living
am
in a
for your
fucked
money.
up ass
Say their plan na to
world.
kill us. The
The
dollar
white
na you dey
man
die put.
just disrespect us all around the board. We really got to really come together for this bullshit, because I just seen this. Somebody posted it to me, and I'm going to send it to you. So I zoomed in, and I'm doing this live looking at my $20 bill. Look at this shit.
You dey
Look.
see am? Na black man dey hang here
Look
so.
at this shit. Look.
They won't kill us. You
Damn,
never
that
still
is
get
so
what I
fucked
dey
up.
tell you. Wake up.